back to Crafted by AP, aka APTV. In today's video, I have a guest, and quickly he's gonna tell us his name, where he's from, and in this video, we're pretty much gonna ask him if he's ever heard of the country Burundi. Now, I know where he's from, but you guys don't know that yet, but he's gonna quickly tell us first and foremost his name and where he's from. Please welcome to the channel, man.
Thank you. I appreciate a lot for the opportunity to be here. So
yes, sir.
Anyway, guys, my name is Alobo, and I'm from Congo.
Yes, so Congo, that's a beautiful country, man.
Appreciate it.
Now, you being from Congo and you being on this Burundian channel, can you tell us about how this came to be first and foremost? Can you elaborate on how you ended up being on this channel?
The good thing, me and Appel or AP Craft, we've been friends since young. We play soccer together, so
sir.
Now we're here, invited me to be on the channel, which I'm very excited about Burundi. What I know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, Alobo, you say that's your name?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you do in your, daily day basis? How do you spend most of your time?
Spend most of my time. I like to create videos, so make videos, and literally, I'm a church boy, so I like to play guitar and play soccer.
Yes, sir. I like that. I like playing soccer too, so we kind of have some similarities here and there, Now, the main question and the main topic of this whole conversation was me asking you if you know what this flag is. Do you know where this flag? What country is it?
Burundi.
Yes, sir. So you do know the country. I'm glad, man. So that is the main topic, the whole conversation of this. Now that you know Burundi, can you tell us where it is on the map? Do you know where Burundi is on the map?
Yes, Africa is right here, so Burundi is like here close to Congo, which is like Middle East. No. West, down in Central.
Yeah.
Kind of the Central. Around that area right there.
I mean, Middle East would have been kind of accurate, but
it's like in the middle and West, and it's like middle. It's like in the middle.
Middle of where? Middle of where? Of Africa?
Continent, in Africa.
Of the continent?
Yeah. But it's south.
No, man. No. So you know the flag, you know where it is, but you don't know the region of the country.
Region?
And that's in East Africa, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
You said Middle East. Middle East is like the Arabs people, Arabs. That's in the Middle East.
Hey guys, I messed up the wording. It's alright.
Yeah, so no problem, man. No problem. Now, you mentioning that you know Burundi, or you know where it's located, or you have some sort of idea of where it's located. Do you know the people as well of Burundi? And if so, how can you describe the people of Burundi?
Man, that's a tough question.
Yeah.
But how can I describe them? I mean, by the flag?
Yes, that's true. What else, man? Give me something.
The language?
The language.
Yeah,
yes.
the language.
What exactly about the language?
When they say Mahoro, Mwiriwe,
yeah,
already automatically that clicking, and like, yeah, they're from Burundi. Every time I see that, I'm Mahoro.
Yes.
When they respond back, kind of clicking, and also, I think that's the big thing. And also they like to farm.
Yes.
So that's the one big thing that a lot of Burundi, like, they do a lot of farming. So
yes,
that
sir.
Give me that instant.
Yeah.
The incense, they're like, yeah, this guy different.
Yes, sir.
So that's correct, man.
That's very true. That's very accurate. Now, you being from Congo and Burundi, we know these countries are both in East Africa.
Correct.
And you know the culture of Congo, and you kind of know some sort of other, things about Burundi. Is there any similarities or any difference that, that struck you or that comes to mind when you think of those two countries?
I mean, we both eat fufu.
Yes.
Bugatti. We just eat fufu.
Bugatti, yeah. Nyama.
Nyama.
Yeah.
Canada, we both have that stable food.
Yes,
like
sir.
Rice, beans,
yeah,
corn, maize, cassava leaf. So that's kind of like the culture that we a lot. The thing that would kind of similarity come down to food. The
Yes.
difference is the music.
The music, yes.
The entertainment is kind of way different.
Yes. How so? Can you elaborate on that, please?
That's a good one. How so? I mean,
Yeah.
the difference. I feel like the culture. It
Yeah.
comes down to the culture.
Yeah.
We like to play like a lot of live music,
Mhm.
but I don't think you guys are hard on that.
Right.
But
That's
we
very
play
true.
everything we do is a live music. We compose all that. They compose as well. It's just that they don't enforce that
Yeah.
live music.
Yeah, and the dancing
And the
too.
dancing.
You know, a lot of Congolese people dance a lot, and I know you know how to dance.
Little bit. No.
Can you give us some dance moves here and there? Yeah, man. So that's good, man. Have you ever been back to Congo ever since you got to America?
Yeah, I've been there twice.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been there twice, and I stay in Burundi as well, Bujumbura.
Oh, for
They
real?
call that Buja.
Buja, Murivire.
Murivier, Simoni, all
Yeah.
that place.
Yeah. When was this?
About, I think 3 years ago, 3 4 years
Okay.
ago.
So it's been a while. You gotta go back, man.
Yeah.
You gotta go back.
Will. It's
Yeah.
the money.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, you know, you being in America and you being around East Africans, Burundians, Congolese of your own people, what is one thing that you've learned in your life that you can share to your fellow East Africans that's helped you in your life so that the fellow Congolese person or the fellow Burundian, the fellow Sudanese or wherever in Africa or anybody else in general, can you give them an advice that you've learned ever since you arrived in America that's helped you in life?
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
The first question I might go based off saying like, hey, stay connected to the community because when it comes to hard time, they're always there for you, especially
Yes, sir.
funeral, weddings.
Yes.
That's a big thing that
Yes.
you know, kind of they helped a lot as well as with learning about life insurance. But they're being there kind of help you with that process,
Yes.
working with you as well. And the other thing that I can tell people, I mean our people, basically, when you come here as a foreign, make sure you always ask questions
Yes.
and be willing to learn and be willing to be taught. Because some of us, they're just like, I don't know nobody to teach me. You gotta accept, hey, this all this new stuff to learn. So
Yeah.
ask question, seek those opportunities, and you'll be doing well. As you can see, I feel right here, you know.
Yes,
He's
sir.
on YouTube channel doing big stuff.
Yes, sir. I'm trying. I'm learning from you. Yes, sir, man. I'm trying. And that's what we gotta do. We gotta keep trying, take action, and stay consistent with it. So I like that answer, man. I like it.
Thank you.
Now, next question. You know, let's go into the business side of things. You know, you're a businessman. You know, you have multiple streams of income, and you know, you're doing big things.
I try.
What have you learned in business that has helped you again, business-wise? What have you learned in business that you know you can share with the fellow audience that's watching? You can share with the fellow businessmen like me, so that you know we can also strive and improve on what we do.
Yeah, the business portion, and I would say like make the customer feel important.
Okay.
Because the customer's money.
Yes.
If you put in that business transaction perspective, but
Yes.
make sure they're value. You value them. You lower yourself to make sure you cross the boat.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes.
if you pull yourself too high and lower yourself the way you communicate with them, then you won't catch the fish.
Yes, sir.
So you gotta make sure to polite, as what Appel said. Be polite and just communicate. Make sure know that they're your revenue. So if you can't be polite, then you won't get no revenue. You won't make that transaction count.
Yes, sir. Now, business-wise as well, what do you do exactly? Can you elaborate more on that? What do you do? You just give us good business advice. Now tell us how you apply that and where you apply that in terms of what type of business you do.
So business, I do a bunch of interviews as well, and I record weddings.
Yes.
And I do a host a TV channel. So all that that's where I find that knowledge. What I say, you know, make sure you get those customers. Like especially like for me, if you want to book me, like come record your videos, I gotta make sure I give you the best product. Therefore, you feel you value.
I'm gonna put his details down below right here. So make sure you subscribe, you know, share his channel, watch his videos, like him, comment, all that, you know. Now, one last thing, man. Is there anything you want to promote? I kind of just promoted your business. And down here, guys, make sure you know, click the link in the description or type it in like how you see it on the screen. And according to you, though, is there anything else you want to promote?
The only thing that I want to say, like, guys, don't forget to subscribe to his channel, comment, share. Because the more we share this video, the more it goes out there and our people are able to learn from this, and everybody else who watch this video, and that gonna help him to reach more audience.
Yes, sir.
And that would be better for his channel.
Thank you, man. I agree with that.
That's all I can say.
All right, man. Thank you so much for joining me on Crafted by AP, aka AP TV. It was an honor, I should say, to speak to you. I learned a lot, and hopefully you got a lot from me, man. Thank you so much.
Appreciate a lot, brother.
Appreciate you.
Thanks for the
yes, sir.
invite.
Yes, sir.
Ciao.
Subscribe, guys. Subscribe.